Hi guys, today in this video I am about to show you guys how to connect a smart wallet to Battle Bulls. So yeah guys, let's start video. It's a simple very quick guide. So first off, you can tap on airdrop and then you can see you have enough to money, and after that you can go earn, and then you can see which tasks you can complete right now. So tap on it. So my task is not completed yet, so if you can complete, so you can tap on this option and go your smart wallet and then find Battle Bulls, and after that you can go settings and then tap on my wallets and then collect Battle Bulls. After that you can see right here Battle Bulls option, so tap on it. After that your wallet will be connect on Battle Bulls. So that's it, this is how you can do it guys. See you in the next video, bye.